Hello, Broadmoor Bistro, class of 2020, 2021, and 2022. You're here with Dr. Fry, Chef Justin, Chef Bob, and Chef Steve. I am Mr. Zig. Welcome to Coronavirus 19. We're here to share some information with you regarding class. Chefs?
Hi. Well, first and foremost, I hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's staying safe and, hunkering down with your families, taking care of yourself. I think, as we move forward, class is going to look a little bit different. We're trying to stay engaged with everybody. I had several emails and text messages kind of asking what this might look like. I think everybody here on the screen, and I think all of you kind of understand that this is going to be different. So we're going to try to provide some opportunities for you all to engage with each other and with us in face-to-face and Google Classroom. But we really need some input from everybody. So we would like for you to be able to reply on Google Classroom to some questions that we might have and share some input with us, what you might like to engage with or like to see from us or continue to learn, for the next couple months or couple weeks that we're going to be doing some digital learning here. So hope all is well. Keep an eye on Google Classroom and hopefully we can chat soon.
All right. Thanks, Justin. Hope you're all doing well. I know that this is kind of surreal, especially for us as well. Everything we do, we touch, we smell, we taste. So this is going to take a different turn, but the most important thing is that we need to have input on your interest and your flexibility and what is going to be convenient times to actually kind of meet face to face. I think it's important that we use technology to kind of finish the year. As far as our curriculum and what was supposed to be coming up, we were looking at sustainability and some farming outside. If you have an interest in learning how to actually plant seeds and start a garden, we can definitely capture some video and do a few things like that. I know there's been discussion about your portfolios. If you'd like to add your favorite recipes, we would have a basic format that you would find some resources and just post out there items that you find to be interesting or possibly tasty. We're looking at possibly doing some lab kits, but a lot of this is contingent on the availability of food, the availability of getting into the class in the school, and the availability of possibly getting this to you. So we don't have all the answers, but your input's very important to give us a direction. So we need to stay in contact on that. So please be safe. And I look forward to hearing from some of you. Steve.
Hey, all right. So I'm practicing my caveman skills. I went fishing this morning. I'm hiding out in my car. Dittoed everything they said, stay safe, keep your distance, but more important, keep cooking. That's, that's what we're here for. We like to cook, we like to bake. Here's your opportunity to cook for your family and, put into practice what you spent the last half year learning at school. So, work on knife skills. Don't just pick up that carrot and rough chop it, saute like you're supposed to, braise like you're supposed to, pretend Justin's there yelling at you. So work on, oh, there's Justin right there. Work on what you should be working on and keep in touch. You'll be hearing from us.
Dr. Fry?
All right, well, since I only have a small percentage of you, we kind of are in the middle of a few things that we're going to try to continue, most of which will appear on your portfolio. So as we get some feedback from you on what times are best to meet, you'll see me around and whatnot. And yeah, I just hope everybody's staying safe and finding some entertainment and some joy in their day.
That's going to be all for us from the Broadmoor Bistro CAA team. Wish you all the best, guys. We miss you. Days aren't the same without your interaction. We want you to stay hungry, season fearlessly, take care of your families, and take care of yourselves. We'll talk to you soon, all right? See ya.
Peace out.